think what's happening in healthcare with people losing their insurance is a bigger crisis than the Trump administration, for example, illegally impounding funds or otherwise not following laws that were passed by her?
The Democratic alternative, in terms of keeping the government funded, as well as addressing the Republican healthcare crisis, also has guardrails in it to make sure that if we reach a bipartisan agreement, House Democrats, Senate Democrats, House Republicans, Senate Republicans, on a spending bill that's signed into law by the president, that the policies contained in that spending bill are actually implemented by the administration. And that, of course, will remain an important topic of conversation and discussion. But we have made clear this healthcare crisis is devastating people across the country. Last week we heard from a 29-year-old woman from rural West Virginia, Mariah Plant, who takes care of her brother full time. Her brother is autistic, legally blind, entirely nonverbal, and Mariah is able to take care of her brother because of Medicaid at home in a loving environment. That Medicaid is now at risk for her and her neighbors in rural West Virginia, a state that Donald Trump won by 42 points. Mariah is also a small business entrepreneur of modest means. She gets her health care through Affordable Care Act tax credits. If those tax credits expire, Mariah Plant is going to lose health care or have to pay thousands of dollars more that she cannot afford. And Mariah's hospital in Wyoming County, West Virginia, rural West Virginia, is also at risk of closing because of Republican policies and the healthcare crisis that they've created. It's an urgent crisis. We're fighting for people like Mariah Plant, others in West Virginia, people in Wyoming, people in Alaska, in Tennessee and Mississippi. By the way, the 5 states that rely upon the Affordable Care Act tax credits the most. We're fighting for people in urban America, rural America, suburban America, small town America, the heartland of America, working class America, and black and brown communities throughout America, all of whom are being devastated by the Republican healthcare crisis, and all of whom need relief immediately. Thank you all. Thank you.